Hello everybody, this is Abraham with No Short Computer Services. This is another quick video on this crap. So this company, McAfee, is installing itself without knowledge of people this stupid security scan plus this is nothing but an advertising, and this thing pops up on a computer just to remind you that McAfee is doing something. It's doing nothing but putting these pop-ups for you. Let's close that. I'll show you the issue that this thing creates. So let's go to settings. We'll go to, here's McAfee Security Plus. We go to uninstall it. Uninstall, yes, and this is what this crap does. It doesn't give you a button to uninstall it. And at first I thought, well, maybe it's a resolution of the screen. No, this is not the resolution of the screen. I firmly believe that McAfee has coded it this way to basically not allow you the install. And if you close this, close window, it doesn't uninstall. So what do? Very simple. You use the tab key. So I push tab. Well, first you need to click on this window and then push tab. Poof, there is the button. You see how everything is messed up? Yes, that's HTML, not properly formatted. And let's see if we click on install. And there it is. Now it's uninstalling. This is something new that started happening fairly recently. So if you have an issue like that with McAfee, that's how you do it. Give me a like if you liked the video. Enjoy, subscribe, ask questions, and save money. Thank you.